Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to build this beautiful and awesome custom pine tree. Let's get right into it. So for this pine tree, you're gonna need pine logs, white carpets, pine leaves, messy dirt, and pine slabs. So you wanna first grab your pine logs and bridge up 10 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna be building the tree from up to down as it is easier. So then grab your pine leaves and place them as shown around the block, just like that. Then you wanna leave one block of space and place 2 on each side. And as you can see this corner, place 1 block, just like that. And do it on every side, of course. So of course, this tree, like every time we're going down, we're expanding 1 block. So this time, leave a block, we leave 1 block, and on every side, place 3 blocks. So 3 blocks. On the corner, place them as like that. So it can be like a horizontal staircase. I mean, if you know what I mean. And then leave another block and place 4 on each side. This is gonna be the last layer. And of course, don't forget to make this stylish horizontal stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now you want to go down here and place 2 on each side and then connect the corners just like that, like add details like the leaves. Now here down you want to grab your messy dirt and like build, as I say, like a contour of the tree, and then build and grab your pine slabs and do like that. It's like a pot for the tree. But I mean, if your tree is in the wild, no need to do it. Now, to an average player, this tree is great. It's awesome and it's pretty cool. But since we, the builder army, are all professionals, we want detail. So you want to grab your white carpet and put it on the leaves that are exposed, just like that. So as you know, now it's winter, and in winter it snows. So this adds, it is like it shows that it has snowed on this tree, and there's some snow left. And since it is very thin, it really gives you true detail. Like it's so thin, it's really nice. Boom, boom. And check this out. This is so much better than before. I mean, it looks great, and it's realistic because that's what happens in real life. So if you want to see me build more custom trees, please comment down below. I want to know your opinion. And I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.